Hey guys, welcome to my tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a Gmail account. So first just go to gmail.com, click create account. So there are two options, but either way you're going to go through the same process. So let's just assume you want to create an account for yourself. Then just enter your first name, last name. This is not my real name, by the way. And enter your preferred username and your password. Just to emphasize, you need to use 8 or more characters with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Let me just input my password. So once you're done, just click next. So Google will ask you to verify your phone number, and then they will send a text message with a 6-digit verification code. So just enter your phone number. And once you're done, click next. And once you receive the code, just enter it here and then click verify. So there are two recovery options. Number one is the phone number, and the second is the email address. So I recommend that um, you fill in at least the recovery email address. So just in case you lose your password, you'll be able to recover your account. So let's just say this is my recovery email, and just choose your birth month, day, and year. Choose your gender and click next. So just click I agree and wait for it to load. So you're done. You have your Gmail account. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.